So this video is going to show you how to use the Advanced Search tab on the Buyers Access website. So in order to get to this Advanced Search tab, if you hover over Orders, you can click on Advanced Search, or if you click on Orders, it'll come to this screen here that shows all of the tabs here at the top. So you'll click on Advanced Search, and then on this search, you can actually search for a single item number for one of the suppliers, or you can search multiple item numbers for a supplier. So if you click on item number here and you type in an item number, which I'll just use this one here. I know this is an HD supply item, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here under vendors and actually select HD supply. So now when I'm searching for this specific item number, I'm only searching HD supplies catalog. The reason why I do that is sometimes some of our vendors have the same item number, but the items are completely different. So now I'm going to hit search, and then it's going to look for that item for me. I can take a look at it to make sure it is the right item that I'm searching for. That's what I'm looking for. I can close that. I can add quantities here by typing in a number, or you can click the plus sign, and then you can click Add Page to Shopping Cart down here. You can also do a quick search, or an advanced search, should I say, for multiple item numbers at one time. So let's just say your maintenance staff is out in the field. They're super swamped and trying to get some things done, but they also have some items that they'd like for you to order. So they can actually email you a list of item numbers, and you can copy and paste those. So if that were to happen, what you'll do is come to this pretty large box here. You click on it, and it'll open this box here. So I don't actually have anything to copy and paste, but if you are going to paste, you'll notice that if you right-click on your mouse, it doesn't work. But right here, if you follow these directions and do Control-V when you're hovering over this, it will paste those items on there. So I'm going to add some Wilmar item numbers. You'll want to make sure with Wilmar that you are using the dash when searching for items. Sometimes they show up without the dash, but most of the times they don't. So I'm going to put 3 items in there, and we'll just pretend that our maintenance staff said they needed 3 of each of these. I'm also going to put 1 wrong number in here, so we'll just do a bunch of 4s. So now I'm going to hit Save. So I am looking for Wilmar item numbers. So here we'll choose Wilmar. We'll hit Search, and then what that's going to do is it's showing us all the items that we've hit in that search for Wilmar. We can look at those items to make sure they are the right ones, because we did put in 4 items and only 3 of them are appearing, but one of those items that we typed in wrong is showing up here in red. So if you type in an item number wrong, it will appear in red unless that supplier has an item number, or a supplier has an item number with those exact digits. So you'll always want to make sure that you are looking at the items that you're putting into your carts before you are putting them into your carts. So if you know that you were not looking for a shower head, you might want to do another search for that. But if you needed 3 of each of these, you can click the plus sign 3 times. It'll put a 3 in all of those boxes, and then you will just click Add Page to Cart. If you do have an item that pops up in red, that should be the correct item number, but for some reason it's not popping up. There are times that the suppliers don't push all of the products to the Buyers Access website. Does not mean that we can't get it added, or sometimes the suppliers will discontinue something, and rather than it popping up as discontinued, it will pop up in red. So if you ever have something pop up in red, you can reach out to Member Services or your account management team, and they can help you with that. So that concludes the information regarding Advanced Search tab.